What's up guys, it's Tiara and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing by the title you can tell, a hair review. So this curly hair is super duper cute. I am using it as a protective style because winter is coming and I just cannot imagine doing my hair every single day for work. So I am going to be wearing this unit that I'm absolutely loving at the moment. I just got it, I just installed it. I didn't customize the hairline or anything, but let me jump into a little bit of the specs. So this was sent to me by AfsisterWig, and the lady who reached out to me was super duper nice throughout the email. She was very professional, and I thought it might be a good option to try something new on my channel. As you guys know, I do a lot of natural hair stuff, but I wanted to show you guys a protective style. So AfsisterWig sent me this unit, and it is supposedly 18 inches. It actually seems a little longer than that. I can imagine when I straighten it that it might be a little longer, but hey, who's complaining about inches, right? So inside this little box, it comes with two mesh caps. One is a fair skin tone and then one is black. I already opened the beige one, but I didn't like it, so I'm actually not even wearing a stocking cap under this. It also comes with an elastic band and two clips, so I think I might add the elastic band, but I'm not sure if I have time to do that today. So basically I installed this with the Gots to Be Glued gel and some of the Gots to Be free sprays. Okay, so now I want to jump into some of the things that I absolutely love about this wig. One, I love that it comes already ready. Like, I can customize this wig a little bit more on the front, but if I'm wearing a middle part, you can barely see the sides anyway, so I just didn't want to go through all of that trouble. But I love that it came with enough lace so that if I wanted to customize it a little bit more detailed, I can do that myself. I did have to bleach the knots, so it didn't come pre-bleached, but honestly, if you watch YouTube, that is so easy to do. Nowadays, you can do a customization to your own wig in little to no time. So the second thing that I love is that the parting is so deep. I hate when you get those wigs and then the parts only go to like 1 inch or 2 inch. I love the parting on this unit. It is a 360 unit, so I can also put it up into a ponytail and have it no hair out in the back or none of my braids popping out, nothing like that, sis. So I'm absolutely super duper excited about it being a 360 unit, and the parting space is just impeccable. Again, I already mentioned how I love that I can customize it, so yeah. And I love the curl pattern. I am gonna do probably a video, or maybe I'll just practice it on my own and show you guys on Instagram. I'm gonna do a video straightening this hair because for the winter I don't want to wear it curly every single day. I love that the curls aren't super duper tight and kinky like my natural hair, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna straighten pretty well, but we shall see. We will put it to the test. Okay, so now I want to jump into some of the things that I didn't like about the unit. So not too much, but the first thing I didn't like was that with the packaging I didn't get any type of informational. So I didn't get something stating what this unit is called, how many inches, how to care for it, you know, how to store it. So I think those little things are important, especially for people who are buying a unit for the first time, or installing it for the first time, or even just wearing weave in general for the first time. Those things are so helpful. Also, if you want to recommend it to a friend and you can't find the email that you had ordering it or whatever, you need that informational little packet or brochure to be able to tell someone else about it. And then the second thing that, honestly, I don't know if it's every curly hair I've ever tried, but something about curly hair is that it just sheds. So I will show you guys a little clip of how it was after I co-washed it, but this hair does shed quite a bit. I will say that it does bother me, but it's not like a deal breaker because of the price point. These units are affordable, and I think that if this is like your first time wearing a wig and you don't want to splurge or break the bank, then this is a great option for you. And if you're somebody who doesn't really mind shedding, then that's not a deal breaker for you either. But yeah, I will say that it does shed quite a bit, guys, so just brace yourself for that. But other than that, I'm loving it, girl. It's about to be an effortless winter. Fall, here we come. Are you guys ready for the fall? You guys are ready to slay the day away. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.